Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the problem audio and protecting the original. Duplicate the clip's audio or detach it so you have a backup. Once done, solo the duplicate track and scrub the timeline to identify wind-heavy sections. You do this because applying fixes non-destructively lets you a /B compare. It preserves dynamics if the denoise goes too far. Make sure to rename the duplicate to working so you don't accidentally export the wrong file. You'll now reduce wind content while retaining voice. Add noise reduction and start around 0. 5 strength. Increase only if needed because too much smooths consonants. Then insert an EQ and apply a high-pass filter cutting below 100-200 Hz with a steep slope to remove rumble. Once that's active, audition with a /B. If some windy textures persist, use a spectral repair or third-party denoiser to surgically attenuate bursts. Adjust attack/release settings so transient speech isn't flattened. Finish by balancing loudness and smoothing artifacts. You should normalize or adjust clip gain, then apply gentle compression to glue the voice back together. This helps masked consonants reappear. Once done, automate denoiser mix or EQ cuts only on problem regions so natural sections stay intact. If you notice metallic or underwater artifacts, revert to the backup and apply milder noise reduction combined with manual.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.